Here she is, the 2009 BMW 535i. This is my point A to point B car. I've had it for over 10 years now, so I think it's about time I find a replacement. So let's go test this thing as a benchmark for my next daily driver. That was anticlimactic. But let's be real here. This car isn't meant to be fast. This has the classic N54 engine. It's a 3-liter, twin-turbo, straight 6. And with a JB Plus tune and BMS intake, mine should be making around 330 to the wheels. That's not bad for something that weighs 3,650 pounds. Not bad at all. Alright then, let's make sure we turn on dynamic traction. And as always, manual mode first. Now let's try full auto. Looks like my dogs want to know too. I guess they do spend some time in the back seat, so they must be curious. Anyway, watching the playback, the manual mode felt faster. The only thing about the JB Plus tune is that it puts all the power in the mid-range, and so the stock turbos fall flat on their face past 6,000. It's better to shift earlier than the 7,000 RPM redline to keep the car in the power band. Plus, in full auto, the shifts were painfully slow. This transmission is definitely showing its age. 9.89 seconds with manual mode. That's right there with the stock Focus RS. Not bad for a 10-year-old grocery getter. Over the next few months, I'll be testing a few candidates for a replacement daily driver. I've already lined up some time with the new Lexus GSF, so stay tuned for that.